special delivery.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is another repair video of this time. Let me show you, adjust this camera just to let you see what's going on here, guys. And this is a TARAMP HD 8000 Class D amplifier, 8000 watt RMS, 1 ohms. This is a 1 ohms version of this amplifier. They have the 2 ohms also, 4 ohms, I guess, yeah, and the half ohms. But this is a 1 ohm version. This coming, guys, with this is in. Let's see, just adjust this just to make you guys see this. It's in protection mode. It goes into protection mode after pour up. I'm not going to pour it up because I see something that messed up right here. It's in the transistor. That's the Q7. And then I already test to find out in this output section. I realized one of the output is bad on this side over here. So this is a Q70. No, sorry about that, guys. It says G17, and this is the G16, the 1617. The G17 MOSFET is shorting out. I checked it already, but let me check it for you guys, just for you guys to see, just to make sure, see what's going on here. Didn't take the amplifier part as yet, so get drain and source. Come on. So drain to source is reading like that, shorting out just like a fuse, just like that. So that's what it's bad, and the other one beside it is reading perfectly. So that's good. And this side is reading drain and source. Good. Good. So guys, pause supply is okay. I'm pretty sure because I pause up, but it's in protection mode. I don't think anything is wrong with the protection. But this here, let me show you what's going on here, guys. In this area, it's not that, as I would say, pretty. So right here we have this Q7. It's really burnt. I'm trying. Yeah. Come on, focus, camera. This guy is, as you guys can see, yeah, this ear right here, yeah, it's burnt. That here is really burnt. So that was a Q7 SMD transistor, and it's shattered. It just burst. And beside it, you have this. This one go to the fan. This is a 4R7. It's a 4R7 resistor. And then here you have this one here that I located. I didn't know the value says 1001, and that's a 1K ohms resistor right here. That's also damaged. And then you'd have this one goes by many different numbers. You have 102, that means 1K ohm as well. And then you have this one that says 1001, that means 1K ohm as well. So this guys, so yeah. And then you have these up I see that TL072 right here. Maybe I changed one of these just because it's that close to that, so you never know. Yeah. So guys, you see what I have on the table for now, and then I'll definitely update you guys on what I do with this amplifier. But I think the power supply is okay, and everything is okay with the power supply. And I'm just gonna go into work with this here right here. Just just this here. I'm going to work with, and right here. I mean, yeah. I mean, right here, you could see, yeah, it's really damaged. You could, yeah, just put it in focus so you guys can see that black spot right around here. Yeah, it's messed up. It's really messed up. It took me a long time to figure out what goes there, but I did figure it out. I did figure out what MOSFET, I mean, what SMD transistor goes there. And the SMD transistor, the guys that goes here, that is the BC 817, BC 817C. And I think but in the SMD, it's going to be, you guys can see, gonna be 6C. And I happen to have a bunch of these. I think I have at least 1,000 of these, if I'm not wrong. Definitely. I have a lot of these. So, yes, guys, that is the 6C. So, I'm not sure if these fans, you have two little fans right here that I think, two little fans. I don't know if they're bad, but this one connected to something that's from one of them. But definitely, guys, I'll let you know. You guys will see what's going on. I'll let you know what's going on. And then, power supply, everything is looking good with these caps right in the power supply. Yeah, it says, let me see the value on these caps, saying 4,700 at 25 volts in this area for these caps. Adjust this camera. Yeah, for these caps right here. Yeah, 4,000. Yeah, 700 microfarad. I think I said ohms just earlier. 4,007 microfarad. Yeah. And let me see. And this says it's used the 1404 MOSFET. Yeah, 1404 power supply MOSFET. And the output MOSFET here, it says IRGP 4066. IRGP 4066. Guys, IRGP 4066 for the output MOSFET. So I'm going to replace these two on the side. So mono black amplifier. So if this one wanna stress this one, I should replace all though, but I'm just gonna take the chance and replace all these two alone for now, and see and give it nice testing. And right here you have this voltage. This is a voltage regulator right here. And the number on it says LM2941CS. It has a little thing on the top of it. Sometimes when the burrs are burnt, they make a little thing on the top. Just to make sure it's okay, I take this little pointy thing that I have right here, scratch it just to make sure, and smell just to make sure it's not burned. But this, guys, I'm gonna have to take the whole thing apart, because sometimes underneath all of this, it's a lot of, it's bigger problem that I would thought. But so I'm gonna have to take the whole thing apart, and then I'll get back to you guys. So definitely, I don't want this video to be drawn out. As I said before, I use a phone to record my stuff, and it's hard to really upload stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to make a part 2 of this video, guys. So just showing you what this amplifier look like. I don't see a lot of video on this amplifier on YouTube, so I want to show you as much as I can. And guys, please reach out to me and ask me any question you guys you want to. about this amplifier, so I can, few more parts sometime. Because with this one, I was trying to find a video with it, and I didn't find one that really close up. Yeah, enough to tell me what part uses what cues. I have to look in some questions on Google, and somebody point out what it was. I don't remember who, but thanks to that guy who really posted that. But guys, any question about this amplifier? I will have it because I'm going to do a full video of it. Not on this, but off camera, just to make sure the components that uses, I know exactly what it, what they are, and so we can replace them. That's how I do my stuff, because I want people to know, what is what. Because sometimes repairing something, I don't know what goes where, and I was like, oh man, this IC burst, and I'm like, wow. So for after IC, I never, and stuff like that, guys. This is what the internet is for, to share and let people know what it is. Some people don't like that because they say, oh, we're sharing the trade secret and stuff like, yeah, listen, there's no secret anymore. Some people will do the repair if they want to, and some people will not. But come on, there's no secret anymore. I don't hide stuff from people, I don't eat anything nowadays. Nah. So who wanna hate? They wanna eat all you can, because I'm gonna tell people what it is. I'm gonna show body what it is. I'm gonna tell them with a cap. Like this cap, I don't think I did tell. This one is a 250 volts, and this is the 1500 microfarad or 1500 UF. 1, 2, 3. It uses two. And these right here is the, let me see if I get it right here. It says, just to make sure, these little ones, I don't want to make a mistake right here. All right, they had that with the silicone. Okay, 35 volts at 1000 microfarad. That's these one here. If you ever have one of these burst guys, yeah, that's it. I already told you the value of this one already, which is a 4700 microfarad UF at 25 volts, guys. Yeah, and it uses the 1404 for power supply. And it uses IRGP 4066D for the output. And this is the 1 ohms version of this amplifier. 1 ohms. Let me turn it around, let you guys see what's going on. This is the 1 ohms version. So no, don't make any mistake, guys. Yeah, you have a 2 ohm version, it's totally different. You use a different output. I don't remember what for the 2 ohms, but yeah. And I think it used more output for the 2 ohms. Yeah. But this, yeah. A nice toroid transformer right here, which is, yeah, really good. These coil really, yeah, good. I wouldn't have to, yeah, normally I would put some CA glue across these, yeah, and these, but nah, these really put together well. Yes, guys, so yep, that's it for, for this repair, for part one of this repair. But as I tell you guys, I'm gonna replace this MOSFET, yeah, these two MOSFET on this side, and then adjust this side right here, which has this, is the main issue right here. Got one of the pin of this goes right to the negative pin of the output MOSFET. The speaker output. I mean, guys, the speaker output. Yeah. So one of the pin from this SMD, that's the middle one, goes right to the negative pin of the output for the speaker. So yeah, definitely, guys. So right in this here, I'm gonna have to replace this SMD transistors and this SMD resistor and this SMD resistor. And the transistor, this SMD transistors is the BC817, and then you have here this one connected to the fan. It's a 4R7 ohms resistor, which means the 4.7 ohm resistor as well. Then here you have that connected to one of the pin of the transistor here, which is the 1k ohms resistor. And that means 1001 ohm resistor. And that resistor is the number mark R17. So R17 is a 1k ohms resistor. And Q17 transistor is the BC817 transistor. And then you have the, see, this one is the R. Let me make sure, guys. This one is the, I think it says R94 if I'm not wrong. Okay. No, this one is the R64. So R64 resistor, guys, is the 4R7. So guys, please make no mistake. You know, please make no mistake. Ask me the question you want, and I'll, as I said, I'm going to do a full video of this, so you guys can ask me all the component, what uses where. If you ever have one that's shattered or burned badly, that you can identify the components, I'll definitely let you guys know what goes there with this amplifier. So I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna start posting these stuff on in the image, so you can Google it and find it. So definitely, guys. Okay, guys. This is the okay. That's it. So, guys, Carty and Carty out for now, guys. See you in part 2 of this video when I do the replacement of these parts, and I definitely show you guys what's going on, if everything's working well and everything, if all goes well. And so thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you guys. And as I would say, enough respect. All right, Irie. See you on the other one.
Special delivery.